Hello everyone, welcome to FineReport tutorial lesson 10 on drop-down box. So drop-down box is one of the most common widget style for parameter setting that we used a lot during data query. Open the designer. As you can see, we already have our simple template set up. So including on the left, DS1. That's everything from sales volume was selected, including our region parameter. So move on to the upper part, we have our parameter setting page, also including different widget style, which has one of the drop-down box we need to select it for today. So as I introduced in peer lesson before, if we want to do the data dictionary for data binding through data set, we have to create another data set just to select a region, this data column from sales volume to do the data binding. So in here, we're going to create another data set. Next, we're going to move on to the parameter setting page. Click on the text widget and also delete the widget from the widget setting. So we have to re-add the widget style. So click it, and also in here, we're going to choose the third option, drop-down box, as our widget style. So click it. So right now, we already have the drop-down box as our widget style. Next, we're going to move on to the data dictionary to do the data binding. So in here, as you can see, we have 4 types of the data dictionary binding. The first 2 is the most common used one, database and the data query. So in database, all we have to do is to select our direct database and then select the data column from the database. And today we're going to do the data query. So in this way, all we have to do is binding data through dataset. So go ahead, click it. From dataset, we're going to choose DS2 as our option. So in DS1, we already have the parameter created from there. So DS2, we only selected a region as our data column. So the actual and display value is going to be region according to the same parameter region. So by now, already done the setup for the drop-down box. Go ahead, click preview. So in here, as you can see, we have the drop-down box option. East China, North China on the region table. So that's going to be our drop-down box option. So in the future, as I introduced the idea from lesson 6, parameter linkage before, if we do the setup for the parameter linkage, we can add as many parameter for the query as we want. So for example, we can add another parameter such as salesperson, still set up as drop-down box as well. So that's going to be everything from today. Thanks for watching, guys. Gonna see you next time.